Awesome car.
आता काय येऊ शकतो नाही ना पावसाचं पाण्याचं
100% प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
पाण्याचा पण नाही.
हे कसं आहे ना मॅडम, जोपर्यंत तुम्ही फुल क्लच प्रेस नाही करत आणि ते बटन प्रेस नाही करत ना,
Interior, see the interior, bro.
की फॉक तुमच्या
So good it is.
काय ठीक हो अच्छा हे
चावी
ऑन
असते.
लॉकचं
त्याला तर की नसते
ते
ना,
फक्त उघडण्यासाठी
Up, down.
आणि त्या पण खिशात असतात त्या गाडी प्रवास
Best
करतात.
thing.
अच्छा हा ते लॉक होऊ शकतं.
आता कसं आहे ना, इथे चावी आहे ना,
And there is a cool cup holder.
चावी.
AC. You keep water, it will become cold.
कसं इकडे गाड्यांना पहिले कसं आहे,
This is AC window, small AC window. You can adjust the.
चावी लावा.
This is the charger, I guess.
नवीन गाड्यांना
This is USB.
Holder.
हे तुमच्या कारची चावी आहे.
And these are the buttons.
कारची चावी आहे.
Buttons are tight. I think this will be the FM or radio, something like that. And see this.
ही चावी कशी माहिती आहे?
चालेल आता
See the back side. So good it is. The,
side झाली.
I will show you the best thing that. And yeah, welcome back to my channel. Just coming back. And the best thing. Here are the, and here also one more charger they have given us. And I don't know what it is.
नाही, पण
So
जेव्हा
here-
त्याला गाडी काढायची असेल तेव्हा,
And just see the interior, guys. So good it is. I love it. Let me show you the back. 1 minute. Let me do this first. You pull this, it falls down. Okay? Not full. Don't worry. I will pull. And this can also fall whole. The best thing is this. There. Let me show you the dicky. There it goes. You got the color. The best thing, you can keep your, this is the whole something. And here, yeah, after the purchase I am gonna do this car. This side also it is. And the best thing, if the car stops somewhere, we have this thing. Just push it, everything. From this, let me tell you, the wheel of the car, yeah, the car's height up. This is the screw tighter something like that. And guys, the main part, after this, I can, okay, now it is not happening because I don't know how to do. Yeah, like this I was telling. Just do it like this. 24-hour challenge in the car. So good it is for doing that. And this also we can put in. See, I can hold sleep in this. Now let me show you the shift. This was the whole part looks like this. Front view. Let me And this is the role model of our channel. In every vlog you see her. Video call. The reels. My mom.
गर्दी नाही.
डिक्की साईज बघूया का?
दाखवतील ना ते सर्व.
Personally, I like the suit, but I don't want suit because we have vegan. I want a big car. My height and suit size is so same.
ही सीट जास्त लो आहे ना त्याच्यापेक्षा.
लांबून काढा.
नाही तुम्हाला 163 ग्राउंड क्लिअरन्स आहेत ना, त्याला पण ड्रायव्हिंग सीट आहे.
Airbag is there.
एवढं जवळून नाही दिसत.
I like this part of the car very much. The AC.
वरती होताना पुढे जाते आणि खाली
See the screen.
दोन्ही होतं.
Show them the screen.
डिस्टन्स पण वाढतो आणि पुढे पण होते. म्हणजे अशी पुढे असते. फिरवून काय मिळतं.
Yeah, this screen I told you. Volume. The airbags. Oh, it's not. Again, my mom sitting.
Nice cushion, comfort you.
Honest review. You think honest review given by mom.
Because I am the one who suffers traveling. You
Yeah.
always make me sit behind.
Oh, is it? Nothing, guys. She's telling lie. 1 minute. The other people came. So yeah, let's move on to the next car. So Wantra. Let me show you the Wagon R. The new Wagon R. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Antra, see this. Kitty. Wow. Design go. Ite. So good design. I don't like the interior, very bad. Only black, that rough. Yeah, basically I don't mind Wagon R because I have it. Please tell in the comment we want Ertiga, we want Ertiga. Color comment please, color comment.
एवढं काय राईट ते कलर दिसत नाही.
Ertiga.
ते मीन
Ertiga. I like this color. That's my birthday. Please support. Andra. This color is nice.
I like this grey, magma grey. We'll go for this magma grey. You will go for this.
No.
This color is
brother.
royal.
What royal blue?
We will be loyal on our car.
No, please.
Now we are going for test drive. This car we are going to test drive. So that was the Ertiga, that green one you may be seeing. Yeah, that's the car. And this is the car we are going to test drive. Both are same, just the build quality and the speed and all yours. And Antra! Tell something. Tell something.
What?
Who is your favorite Instagrammer? Lexi Rivera. She loves Lexi Rivera.
No.
Lexi, if you are saying comment.
No.
Now she is lying.
No.
She loves Lexi Rivera and Brent Rivera.
No.
She loves the squad. Basically, I love the squad very much. The AMP squad, they are just legit. Bro, what is this on the road? Someone's pant was there lying on the road. Means what? मम्मी हे बघ काम झालं माझं
काय रे?
पाठीवर.
बाहेर बाहेर.
Just now the Paris met. We are heading to Axa Beach. Beach. She is telling hi to you.
Hi.
Hello. Now let's meet at Axa. Oh, you want to see the road? You should have told me in the comment. Anyway, see. Boring roads. Wait, I will show you directly the water is. I got a chance to show. Let's go. Yeah, cameraman Jyoti on work, huh? Mama, Arva. Please, now you want to tell in the comments. Arva, Mama. Comment down. All the greenery and growth. Song. Copyright.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Spent all my
हे काय शूट करणार?
over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for. All is said and done. Oh.
Guys, this video is very long, so I'm gonna end this vlog and start the new vlog. So yeah, you will not also be bored and my GB's RAM will also be saved. So if you're new on the channel, please subscribe. What is this?
No, say na ba.
Yeah, anyway, bye.